Hi everyone, Barnyard here from freefaucet.io, and today we are looking at Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is something that FreeFaucet have had on their website for a while, and I thought I'd go into a little bit of the details about why Dogecoin is cool, how it works, interesting features about the coin, and then we're going to go later in the video, we're going to talk about how you can actually mine Dogecoin, or if you don't know how to do mining, how to go to freefaucet.io and then get some coins for yourself. So let's have a look at some of the technical specs of Dogecoin, and it's actually got some pretty interesting stuff in there. So the algorithm it uses is Script, which is a pretty popular algorithm, which is also a ASIC usable algorithm, which means that you can buy specific machines called ASICs, which are used just to mine this particular type of coin. But the interesting thing about Dogecoin is that not only does it use Script, it has this thing called auxiliary proof of work, which is essentially where Dogecoin is coupled together with Litecoin, so that if you ever find a Litecoin block, you actually can use that block in the Dogecoin blockchain and get basically double the reward. So you can get the Litecoin reward, and then you can also get the Dogecoin reward. And this was a really big deal back in the day when Dogecoin was made back in 2013, because it was pretty much the only coin that actually did this. So before we get into the video, I just want to say that a few different people are going to call this coin by a slightly different name. So some people say Dogecoin, some people say Dogecoin, but everyone in my office says Dogecoin, and I think that's the coolest sounding name, so I'm just going to say Dogecoin throughout this video. So Dogecoin was actually made as a joke in about 2013, and for some reason people just thought it was really funny and it kind of caught on, and since then it's really just gone crazy with its market cap. At the moment it's at a market cap of 300 million, and even today we're getting 33 million US dollars worth of trading every single day, which is pretty crazy. It puts it at, I think it's number 26 or 27 at the moment on CoinMarketCap, which puts it really high up on the rankings for coins. So there are a few different ways that you can get your hands on some Dogecoin. Obviously you can buy it, and Dogecoin has a whole bunch of different exchanges that have Dogecoin on them. So you can use Poloniex, which is quite a big one, Bitilicious, which is another quite big one. Another way that you can get Dogecoin is to mine it, and we're going to see at the end of this video how you can mine it yourself on your computer. But finally, and the easiest way that I think you can get it, is just going onto freefaucet.io and claiming a bit of Dogecoin for free. So we're going to do that first, and then we're going to look at afterwards how to mine it yourself. So just head over to freefaucet.io and register an account, and the way to register is just the same as the way you would register on any account for anything. And once you've logged in, basically what you want to do is scroll down through all the different coins that they offer, all the way down to here on Dogecoin, and just click this claim button right here. Once you've done that, it gives you a little bit of information about Dogecoin. You click the claim coins button here again, and then that's it. You've claimed yourself some Dogecoin. And I've just claimed 23 here, so now I have a total of 20,000 Dogecoin on FreeFaucet. And once I've done that, I can go to the withdraw, and then I can just find where my Dogecoin is and then send it to an address, or I can send it to someone else in the site if I want as well. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to want to do, once you've claimed on freefaucet.io, is you're going to want to make a wallet. Now the way that you get a wallet is you just go to the Dogecoin website at dogecoin.com, and then you just choose which operating system you're using. So I'm using Windows. I've already downloaded it, but if you haven't downloaded it yet, just click the Windows key if you're on Windows, or the OS X button if you're using Mac. And then once you've done that, you want to open it up. So once you've installed it, obviously you can just open it up by double clicking the executable, and then you want to go to this request tab here, and you can see underneath it, it says your address, and then it's going to give you a address. And basically what you want to do is just copy that and then go back into freefaucet.io and go to withdraw, and then go to Dogecoin, put in that address and then how much you want to send, your password, and then just click the send button, and that will send straight away. So that's how you get some free Dogecoin using freefaucet.io. Now we're going to look at how you can mine Dogecoin on your computer. So the first thing you need to work out is what sort of graphics do I have on my computer. Okay, and the way that you can do that is you can, if you're on Windows, type Windows R and then type DXDiag, which is a DirectX diagnostics tool. And then once that opens up, you go to Display, and it will tell you what sort of graphics card you have. So I have an NVIDIA graphics card, which means I can use CCminer to mine cryptocurrency. Now, if you have an AMD graphics card, if you have something like ATI, you're going to want to use SGminer, and I'm going to leave in the description what you have to download if you're using NVIDIA or if you're using ATI. So because I'm using NVIDIA, I would want to download CCminer. Okay, and once I've downloaded CCminer, the next thing I need to do is I need to find a mining pool, which is basically a website where you go and get a link, and that link is then used to mine to a pool, which is a group of people mining together so that they have a higher chance of mining the blocks and getting coins. And then all of those coins get distributed to everyone who's mining in that pool. So here is an example of a mining pool. This one's called thepool.life, and here is the code that I'm going to need to mine Dogecoin. So what I want to do is I want to copy that, okay, and then I want to go into CCminer, and what I want to do then is make a batch file with that script. So if you look at this file here, this has the script in it that was on that website, and I've also put in that address that we made using the Dogecoin wallet. We've used that in this script so that the pool knows where to pay out the coins that we mine. So once we've made this script, we want to make sure that we're saving this file as a .bat file and not as a .text file. And if you double click this when you've made it and it opens up like this, that means it's a .text file, and you need to just go into properties and make sure that you change it to a .bat file. So the only difference with this, if you're using SGminer, is this isn't going to say CCminer here, it's just going to say SGminer instead. So once you've done that and you've made sure that you've put in your address here as well, and you don't have any extra spaces here, no extra spaces here, the next thing you want to do is basically just double click this, and then after a few minutes it's going to work out what it's doing, and then you are mining cryptocurrency. You don't have to do anything else. And the way that you know it's working is just come back in about an hour's time, and if you look in your wallet and you see that you have coins there, that means everything is working. And if you have any problems, just leave in the comments what your errors are, and I will help you debug any problems that you have as well. So that's everything for Dogecoin. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it was an interesting video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you did enjoy the video, because we're going to be making a lot more like this on different cryptocurrencies and blockchain products in the future. So see you in the next one.